Hi dears, welcome back to SS class. Today we are going to discuss new block number 10, Festivals of India. As we all know that festival is a special occasions or special days which we celebrate with family and friends. In India, we have many religious festivals, harvest festival and national festival. In this block, we will learn about religious, harvest and national festival. So in today's class, we will learn about some of the religious festivals like Diwali and Christmas. So let's start first lesson from this block, Diwali and Christmas. Aim of this lesson is to describe religious festivals like Diwali and Christmas. Keywords: religious festival, celebrate. Which festival do you celebrate? Yes, we celebrate many festivals in India. Which are they? Yes, Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Onam. Many festivals we celebrate across the country. So, today's class we will learn religious festivals like Diwali and Christmas. India has many religious festivals that are celebrated by different people across the country. Which are the religious festivals we celebrate in India? Yes, Diwali, Gurupurab, Eid and Christmas. Let us learn about Diwali and Christmas. So all of you read page number 8 from your content book. Hope you read it. When is Diwali celebrated? Now let us discuss when is Diwali celebrated, how many of you celebrate Diwali, and why are these Diwali and Christmas celebrated. Diwali is celebrated either in the month of October or November. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. Diwali is celebrated in North India as Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Now let's discuss what are Diwali and Christmas. How are they celebrated? How are they different and how are they similar? Let's check. Diwali is a festival of Hindus and Christmas is a festival of Christians. Look at this table. We can understand that the differences between Diwali and Christmas and how the people celebrate these festivals. First we can discuss Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. They celebrated Diwali in the month of October or November. People decorate their homes with clay lamps. On this Diwali, people decorate their home with clay lamps. People worship gods and goddesses and they make designs with flowers. Then let's discuss Christmas. Christmas celebrated by Christians. Celebrated on 25th December. People decorate Christmas trees. They decorate the Christmas trees and exchange gifts with each other. And some people dress up as Santa Claus. Children get gifts from Santa Claus. On Christmas, families and friends come together to pray in church and sing carols, eat delicious Christmas cake and pudding. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson, Diwali and Christmas. Let's discuss S1, page number 10 from your content book. Look at the picture and write the name of the festival in the box. Diwali. Next one, Christmas. Then what do Diwali and Christmas remind you? Write 2 or 3 sentences about them. Third question, what are the special things that you do on Diwali and Christmas? Okay children, hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.